this message will be for air sign. So this is air moon, air sun, air rising. So the air sign, this is landing on 11th house of groups of friendship, hopes and dreams. Also 7th house of partnerships and business partnership. And also in the house of communication, depending of what sign you are. So I'm gonna tune into the Akashic records and get the message that you need during this time. Let me adjust this real quickly. Okay. So take a deep breath in here with me. And release. My love, your voice is important. Your voice is meant to be heard. We know that many times you have been told that your voice may have been too loud, too much, or too weird. We want you to use this opportunity during this eclipse to let go of this wound and the rejection that you may have felt from your past life, or maybe even something as close as your childhood. We want you to know that this is an opportune time for you to release the idea that you have to do everything all alone by yourself. Allow yourself to take on a partnership. Allow yourself to ask for help. When we say help, we don't want you to fall into the mechanism or the matrix that think that getting help is a sign of weakness. Getting help is actually a collaboration of sorts, ability for you to allow others to be in their power, as well as you allow yourself to be in your power. Because we are not an island. Together, we are stronger. Together, we are wiser. Together, we are more powerful. It's about the synthesizing of each individual power and gifts and bring it together to create a magnificent creation. You allow others to be in that gift as you are also allow yourself to be in your gift. Gone's the day that you're comparing yourself to others, rather you're just celebrating you as well as you're celebrating others. Your voice needed to be heard. Your voice needed to be expressed, and is the voice of the divine speaking through you. See this as a gift, not a burden. And use this eclipse to let go of the fear that somehow your voice is going to bring harm to you. All is well, and we have your back. Take a deep breath in here and release. Sending you so much love.